What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Garena failed to connect with Facebook. So if you're having a problem with this one, there are going to be a few things that you need to do and you need to check here. So first things first is you want to guarantee that you have a stable internet connection. Now if you have a slow internet connection or unstable one, well in this case this might be the cause of this issue. So you might want to basically switch over to a different Wi-Fi connection, or maybe try using your mobile data, or vice versa. If you're using mobile data, try using a Wi-Fi connection. Now, in this case, if you're sure that your internet connection is pretty stable here, the next thing that you want to do here is you might want to clear some temporary files within the Facebook app as well as your browser. So, in this case, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and look for the Facebook app here, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon, and from here, click on the clear data at the bottom right of the screen, and click on clear space, and click on OK. Now, from here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and basically exit this one. You want to go ahead and open up your browser, click on the three dotted option at the top right here, and click on settings. Now under settings, you want to click on the privacy and security option and click on delete browsing data. And from here, you want to go and select browsing history, cookies, and site data, cache images, and files. Now you could also include other options here if you want to, but this is going to be good for us. Go and click on delete data at the bottom right here. You can also specify how many days you want to specify. I recommend you to try using like last 4 weeks or even all time here if you would like to. But in this case, once you've done that, you can go ahead and basically check if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you might want to take in note here is if your Facebook account is already connected to a Garena account, well, in this case, you might not be able to connect your new Garena account, which in this case, something is really unfortunate, so you might need to contact them directly in order for you to get this fixed. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.